As a lot of Russian equipment gets damaged and then abandoned, it's mostly up to the Ukrainian drone army to clean the battlefield, taking out the equipment completely, making sure it can't be brought back into service. Luckily for Ukrainian drone operators, as Russian operators abandon their vehicle, they often leave the doors and hatches open, leaving for a much easier way to completely destroy the vehicle, as seen here with a BMP-2, where the rear doors are left open, letting 2 FPV drones be able to fly in and attack the BMP this way, leading to an internal fire, being able to completely destroy the vehicle, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.